Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 1st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir, this is not going great for Palantir. So we are down $1.27, that's 6.15%. We close at $19.38. Post-market, we are down a further 2 cents. Let's look at the damage. So we had a support at $20.10 that was used, let me see, on November 24th and also on November 30th. And we also played with a resistance at at 21.20. But now today we broke 21. We are going down. We are going so down. And thank you to Javier, one of my members who pointed something out to me. We are effectively into this descending channel here. Look at this channel here. This is the gray line of the channel. This is the resistance of the channel. And this is the support of the channel. So I might need to put these lines back without drawing, but to put these lines back in the green right here because they might become important. So things are not looking good. Things are not looking good. We had been going up and down in this channel here, and we broke 2010, and we also broke this support here. So next stop for Palantir is 1790. We have 1790, we have 1713. And if things are really bad, we can go as low as $14. I'm not saying it's gonna go there, but this is in the realm of possibilities. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand what happened during the day in more details. So where was the beginning? So this was the first candle of the day. So yesterday we had a nice little bounce up. Look at this, nice little bounce. So we touched 2110. Can we be more precise? We touched exactly 2010. Then we went back up for several hours, climbed above 2056. So we opened today just a little bit below 2056. Went quite high, and we went and reached this resistance right here. A stock likes to bounce on real lines. It does not like to just bounce in the middle of nowhere. It likes to bounce on lines. This is what it did exactly. This is a perfect touch here. So we went as high as, what was the high of the day? $20, $20.88. And then did some sideway action, then went down very close to 2110, and then boom, went down green candles, except the last one, which is a little bit of a green candle, but the body is so small that we don't even have to talk about that. And we have some selling pressure here. Look at the wick here at the top, selling pressure that squished down the stock back. And if we had a few more minutes after 4, maybe this would have turned red. So pretty bad for Palantir, I'm not gonna lie. In terms of the indicators, everything is in the toilet from the 1 hour chart. Let's go back to see the daily chart. Everything is as bad. Everything is as bad, and we even have RSI that is going oversold. So it's just starting to get oversold. So it can stay there a long time. I don't know if this is what is going to happen, but at least you need to be prepared that it could happen. So personally, seeing this here, I shorted, I bought some puts. I bought a lot of puts at 130 because we had 1 hour closing down here, and the second hour started to look like it was going to be as bad. So I am short Palantir. And I'm gonna have to make money on the way down. This is so sad. I like to make money on the way up much more than on the way down. No, I don't really care. If there's money to be made, I'm gonna be there. What else can I say? It's pretty disappointing from a fundamental perspective because this is a great company. But with everything that is happening in the market, Omicron, inflation, and all of that crap. It's not surprising that this happens. I didn't know it until I saw it happen, because I don't like to speculate. I just like to act on what is happening. So from my perspective, Palantir is a short. We might have a little bit of a pullback at some point. And if we have a pullback, we need to see if it goes back up to $20 to 2010. It could go back up to 2010 and then start going back again. So you can watch for that also. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.